This is Eric Mother.com with about 25 minutes to go before the close of the session, close of the week, and options expiration week. Let's take a look at markets here, and slightly down for the day, not too much, but a little bit to the downside. Let's begin with the S&P 500 weekly, and we can see that right now the market is close to that breakout level on the S&P 500, which is the all-time weekly closing high from July 2019. And the level we've been watching for this potential breakout, if it happens, is 3025.86. So the bulls would like the market to clear this level to the upside and give the market a chance of attacking brand new highs. Otherwise, bears are watching this for potential failure. If a failed breakout is what we end up having, then it might suggest a market in a mood of pulling back. So the level to watch, in my opinion, on the weekly big picture time frame is this level here. Anything above this level will be very bullish. Eventually, if we cannot move above this price over time, we might have to roll over. Now, I was thinking one way we can characterize the market is we've pretty much been stuck in this range going back to summer. So this has pretty much been where we've been trading, and the market still remains within that box. Another way of showing this is by taking a look at the RSI, and the RSI currently is giving us an interesting perspective. We have top side resistance and we have bottom side support on the weekly RSI. So it's my estimation that whatever happens out of this wedge on the RSI should determine the next major trend. Either we are going to get movement above the wedge to begin a nice move to the upside, or the market eventually breaks below this wedge and we see the market moving below this box where it's been trading for a couple of months. So I think the RSI does give us an interesting perspective. Right now we are within that end of this wedge. So we should conclude from this that more than likely seems to be something is imminent here. Either we are going to get a breakout above the wedge on the RSI weekly, or we are going to get a break below the wedge, and that should determine the next major trend direction.